This is Statue of Unity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, tallest statue in the world, 182-meter long. If in case you want to visit how to do that from Mumbai to Ekta Nagar Kevadiya. So I am going to share the journey in sleeper class in winter season to let you know how the experience is, and I'll share you all the details. This is a train which is standing over here, and it starts from Dadar railway station. Initially it used to start from Mumbai Central and it used to go till Vadodara only. But after the development of Ekta Nagar Kevadiya, this train is going till Ekta Nagar Kevadiya. This train is always in high demand. So what we'll do is, first we'll quickly get inside. The sleeper class costed me 310 rupees, and if you travel in 3 AC it will cost you 800 rupees, and if you travel in 2 AC it will cost you 1120 rupees. First AC cost you 1875 rupees. And I think here is my seat. This class is always full, all the classes are full. Yes, this is my seat, upper berth. So let me keep my bag and then we will see the departure. It is 11:50 in the station clock and the train has started sharp on time. So the next stop is Borivali, so definitely this train will be stopping at Borivali because many trains stop over there. Only Toronto doesn't stop over there. Now I'll please show you the washroom because that is very important aspect of this train or any journey. So let's check it out how it is in sleeper class. So this is clean, but there is no hand shower as you can see over there, and yeah, everything looks fine, but there is smell and definitely something which I wasn't expecting. The mirror is clean as you can see, the tap is the normal one, and no shaving charging point or anything like that. So let's check the other side. This is also Indian style, it is clean and the mirror is also clean. Interesting point is that this is not smelling at all. So I'm not sure why that one was smelling, and there is hand shower also in this one. So this is something which is like a nice one. So that was pretty much about the washroom. This is Andheri where a train is skipping right now. When I came to my seat, the ticket was also checked properly. I'll show you that at Borivali there will be a lot of people who would be boarding, and then only everyone will be going to sleep properly. So let's see Borivali now. So this is a train standing at Borivali, and the crowd is phenomenal at this particular station, and it has just started. So from here the train will be stopping directly at Vapi. Once everyone settles down, I'll take some rest and then we will see in the morning. So we reached Ekta Nagar Kevadiya 15 minutes late. Yes, we are standing at Ekta Nagar Kevadiya. Behind is the nice different looking station building, and this is the train. So overall the journey was really very fantastic. It's comfortable, no problem whatsoever. So after reaching Ekta Nagar Kevadiya, the best way to reach Statue of Unity is you can get a bus. The bus is free of course. So I didn't pay any ticket or anything for reaching Statue of Unity for the bus. And this bus is AC bus. So let me show you the interior of the bus also. And all the passengers from railway station to Statue of Unity generally prefer to go by bus. So you can see nice seats, and it is a completely AC bus. From Ekta Nagar railway station to Statue of Unity, the bus runs parallel to Narmada River. So make sure to get a window seat because it is really very enjoyable to watch the scenes as the bus moves towards Statue of Unity. And very shortly you will see the Statue of Unity from a very far distance. And if in case you want to come by private car, please check because there are many places where private cars are not allowed. Make sure to book your tickets of Statue of Unity online because offline or through the site itself you cannot book any tickets, and there are limited entry, so that is really very important. So I hope you like this vlog. I'll be doing many more journeys. Always remember, travel safe and be happy. See you in the next vlog. Till then, take care.